let us discuss the next example now. So here, design a Turing machine to exit the language L is equal to 0 power n, 1 to the power n, 2 to the power n such that n greater than or equal to 1. So now, for example, the given string is something like this. Number of zeros should be followed by number of ones, that in turn should be followed by number of twos. So now this is an example. So how actually we say that the Turing machine can accept this language means all the zeros should be followed by all ones. It must be followed by all the number of twos. So now this 0 has to be replaced by x. So now we have to look into the leftmost one. That means we are supposed to move towards right. As soon as we scan the leftmost one, it's supposed to be replaced by 1. Then, though we have several ones, keep moving towards the left until we find the leftmost 2. As soon as we find, it has to be replaced by z. So now there is a match. 0, 1 and 2 are correspondingly replaced by x, y and z. So now again take a left move. So while coming towards left, though we encounter 1 has to be replaced by 1 only. Again this 1 has to be replaced by 1. This y has to be replaced by y. 0 must be replaced by 0. 0 must be replaced by 0. X must be replaced by x. As soon as we find x, take a right move in order to scan this second 0. So now once we obtain the second 0, again it has to be the mark to, this 0 has to be replaced by x. Again take a right move. While going right, replace 0 by 0, y by y, and then we encounter 1. This 1 has to be replaced by 1. Again we encounter 1 has to be replaced by 1 only. Then we are concerning more about the second 2's. So now as when we encounter first z, replace that z by z only, then 2 by z only. So after replacing 2 by z, we should not move towards right to scan the next input symbol. Rather we have to come back and see the remaining 0. Now we obtain the remaining 0, replace that 0 by x, then remaining 1 by y, and then remaining 2 by z. So now take a left move. So now there are no more zeros, no more ones and no more twos. That indicates that this particular language is accepted by the Turing machine. So now let us trace with the string with respect to the transition diagram. So now W is equal to 0, 0, 1, 1, 2 and 2. So now the machine is in Q0. The first input symbol to be scanned is 0. So now as soon as the 0 is scanned, the machine will change its state from Q0 to Q1 by replacing that 0 by x. Now this 0 will be replaced by x, and again there is a right move. It is a type symbol, right? So read write head will move towards right or left according to the inputs are scanned. So now in this case it moved towards the right side. So now the machine is in Q1. Next input symbol is 0. When we encounter 0, be in the Q1 only, replace that 0 by 0 only. Now replace that 0 by 0. Take a right move. Next input symbol is 1. Now 1, if there is 1, change of state from Q0 to Q2, replace that 1 by y. This 1 will be replaced by y. And again take a right move. Then the machine is in Q2. So next input symbol is 1 only. We no need to replace this 1 by y. Rather we are looking for the leftmost 2. So until we get the leftmost 2, be in the self loop. So next take a right move. Next input symbol is 2. There is a change of state from Q2 to Q3. This 2 will be replaced by z. 2 will be replaced by z, and again take a left move. We have to move towards left. Next, while traveling towards left side from the state Q3, so next input symbol to be scanned is 1. Now if it is 1, replace that 1 by 1 only, and again take a left move. So now again in the left we encounter y only, replace that y by y only. Again take a left move. So then we encounter 0. replace that 0 by 0 only, take a left move. So then the next input symbol to be scanned is X. If it is X, replace that X by X only, but there is a change of state from Q3 to Q0, but it is a right move now. So now as we encounter X, this X axis has to be replaced by X only, then take a right move. So now we are in Q0, next input symbol is 0, this 0 has to be replaced by X, it will be replaced by X. So now the machine comes to the Q1 and by taking a right move. So now we are in Q1, next input symbol is Y. If it is Y, be in the self loop, replace that Y by Y only, take a right move. Then next input symbol is 1. If it is 1, change of state to Q2, replace that 1 by Y and again take a right move. So now we are in Q2. Next input symbol is Z. So now we already 2 has been replaced by Z, replace that Z by Z only and take a right move. So now next input symbol is 2. So here it is 2. So now replace that 2 by Z and change the state to Q3 by taking the left move. So now it is a left move. While coming back, if we encounter Z, replace that Z by Z. If we encounter Y, replace that Y by Y. Here also replace that Y by Y. Then the next input symbol is X. If it is X, replace that X by X, take a right turn now. So now once this X has been replaced by X, take a right turn. So now there is a change of state to Q0. So now in the Q0, next input symbol to be read is Y. So now if it is Y, replace that Y by Y only and take a right turn. Take a right turn. Next input symbol, again there is a change of state from Q0 to Q4. Next input symbol to be scanned is Y. Again replace that Y by Y only, take a right turn. So then next input symbol is Z, replace that Z by Z only, take a right turn. So once we encounter Z, the machine will changes its states to Q5. In the Q5, any number of Z comes, it's supposed to be in the same state, that is Q5. So now that indicates that all zeros are replaced by X, all ones are replaced, all ones are replaced by Y, and all twos are replaced by Z. Then the particular string is ended by the number of blank characters. So now the next input symbol is B. Replace that B by B only. Then the machine enters into the final state, that is Q6. So now all zeros, ones and twos are equal in number. All the zeros are followed by all ones are in turn followed by all twos. So we can tell that, so this particular language 0 power n, 1 power n, 2 power n such that n greater than or equal to 1 is successfully accepted by the Turing machine. So this is the second example. We shall see some more examples.